Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tazeo's nursery tour. These are my lovely daughters, Elia and Lily. Hi. 2 out of 6 of my kids, well, these are 3 out of 6 of my kids right here. They wanted to help me with this nursery tour of their little baby brother. He is here. His name is Tazeo. He is 6 weeks old. Although this is the first child that I have birthed, obviously I have other kids, and I was a foster parent for about 10 years and had 9 different newborns be discharged from me from the hospital. That being said, I know what we need and I know what we don't need. This nursery tour is very minimal. This is kind of a neutral space. It is an ensuite from mom and dad's room. We have a whole bedside sleep area that I'll tell you about a little bit later on, but yeah, this is minimal. So if you're just looking for things that you need, this is definitely the video for you. This is the overview of the nursery. We've got an IKEA dresser here. This is the area, and the girls wanted to help me with this. Yep. So take it away, Gigi. What do we got first?
This is Tazeo's blanket that mommy's aunt gave her.
Yes, my aunt made this blanket for Tazeo. She knitted it, and it's over a Docketot Deluxe that he very rarely is in. He's in it maybe 15 minutes a day while mommy folds laundry, and that's it. He has a whole bedside area that I'll show you later of where he actually sleeps, a safer sleep option. What do we got, Lily?
We got this hatch, and it makes animal noises, and it also lights up.
Yes. Cribs can be really expensive, from like $500 to like $1,500, and that's simply ridiculous. I wanted something modern and sleek and neutral so I can change up his bedding as he gets older and it goes into a toddler bed. So I believe this was $200, and it was from Target. It's white. Oh, you ready for the next thing? Hold on. It's white. And she's so excited to do this nursery tour. Don't worry. Okay, think about the things you want to show next, girls, okay? And it's got these like light wood legs. Yes. I did get this from IKEA. It was 60 bucks. What a steal for a fake plant. I love it because originally I was going to do an ocean theme, which I'm going to do in his toddler room later when he moves into that. But this will go into there and tie into that whole like ocean wave vibe with the tropical leaves in it. Yeah. Anyways, everything's gonna be linked down below. Before we move on to there, hold on girls, I know you're anxious. Before we move over there, I did get an air purifier here because I thought that was really, really important for his space to make sure it's nice and clean. And that's a bag that I'll show you about later in a what's in my diaper bag video. All right, girls. So what do we got here?
We got his changing bed.
His changing table, or changing pad. This is his changing pad.
Yeah, and Molly wants to share that. He has a little Stitch.
We got Stitch. His cousin got that for him, Isaiah from Disneyland. So we got a little Stitch. Opted just to get the regular changing pad, the affordable one, because he is going to grow, and those expensive ones don't last very long. So this is much longer and it's more comfortable. So we're being practical here. And then also, speaking of practical, these are amazing. These pads that I got, they're Cloud Island from Target. I'll put the link below here. I think they come in like a 3 or 4 pack for only like 10 or 12 bucks. I put them everywhere. You'll see I put these by my bedside so I can change him in the middle of the night. And I have it here on his changing pad. I also have another one in his bassinet. And then what else do we have over here?
We have his books.
Some books that we're collecting, yes, for when he gets older. And then this is from Target as well, a cute little simple basket with some of his lotions and diapers. And then we have a Munchkin wipe warmer, just the affordable one. This is probably my favorite nursery item here. Let me put it here so you can see. This is a touch light. It just touches and glows, and it's like a soft light that I use to change his diaper in the middle of the night. We have one here, and then I also have bedside, so I'm not like struggling, you know, trying to find things in the middle of the night, and this just doesn't disturb hubby. I love it. It was like 20 bucks on Amazon, and it's just rechargeable. I have 2 of them. Must have for sure. Dresser I got from IKEA. I love it, but I do not suggest you putting it together on your own because it is a pain in the butt. Who said butt? You said butt? Who Who said butt? You said butt. Well, he's got a butt, you know. Oh, a Munchkin diaper pail and his little, you know, what's it called? Hamper. Oh, let's show this. This is one of those stargazer. Oh, not you, silly. Move out of the way, girl. This stargazer thing. Let me show you how it works. But this is like amazing. It show. Oh, you can't see it right now, but it shows stars and it's amazing. I'll put a little clip here at nighttime. So I got it off Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna go through this really quickly so that I can show you our bedside and I can also show you all the extra stuff and supplies in his closet. First drawer here is probably the most crowded drawer of them all. As he gets older, I will move these in different sections, but a lot of this stuff is like newborn stuff. So I've got these Kite Baby beanies. That's what they're called. Thank you very much. And they go with all his outfits that I'm going to show you a little bit later. By the way, Kite Baby is super expensive and I will never pay full price for that. I think it's ridiculous for something to grow out of quickly. So on Facebook Marketplace for like 5 different outfits, I think 5 or 6 with matching beanies, I got it for $100. So look on like, you know, Facebook Marketplace or what's the other one? I forget, ThredUp or I don't know. Poshmark, that's what it's called. If you want to get baby items that are kind of pricey and you don't want to pay full price. Otherwise, I wouldn't have had it. Tons of bibs. Got them off Amazon, so there's like a plethora of bibs because this boy spits up and drools all over the place. Extra washcloths. They got some cute little socks. I just got at Ross for when he's older. And these are mittens and socks, which the mittens we never use because most of his sleepers have that in it. Okay, what's next, Lily? Do you know what these are?
Yeah. Those are things, the blankets, I call
burp cloths. Burp cloths, drool catchers, spit uppers, whatever they're called.
And then his toothbrush for when he gets older.
Nail clippers, things for his snot, his ears, all his medicines, teething stuff, gas drops, you know, his brush. Motrin just in case like he has a fever one day, and vitamin D supplement, which I haven't started giving him yet, but I don't know. I heard breastfed babies. What do you guys think? Are you giving your breastfed babies vitamin D yet? That's it for here. Oh, thermometer.
Yep.
Thermometer. Gotta have one of those. I have an extra one down below as well. Oh, by the way, this thing is like the best thing known to mankind. It's like 15, 16 bucks, which seems crazy ridiculous for this little like snot picker or booger picker, but it is a must have. I use this every day for his boogers.
What is this?
It's like for medicine. It came in like a kit. So most of the stuff we haven't used or I don't know if we will use, but we have it just in case. What's in here? Diapers. Vaseline. This is a butt paste applier. There we go. Butt. Saying the word butt again. Oh no. Party foul. Thank you, my love. I have another one of those in the diaper bag as well. It's good if you have nails so you don't get like diaper cream under the nails, which is not fun.
There you go.
Diaper creams, Aquaphor, all over ointment. This is great. It's on a sprayable diaper rash cream, which I love. You just shake it and spray. I have a couple of these in my diaper bag as well. I don't know what that is. It just came with the kit.
Sponge.
I'm not sure. I don't think we need
it.
it. And then here we got muslin blankets. This is Vegas, so it's hot, but he just still needs to be swaddled and feel secure. So I put him in these usually during the day. And then some thicker ones, some from the hospital, and some various kinds of swaddles for nighttime. I also have this for like dirty clothes to put in my diaper bag when we're out and about. Moving on to the next drawers, his clothing. This is a newborn section here. He's almost out of most of these. Like I said, very minimal. Newborn, 0 to 3 months. That's it. He really doesn't need much more clothes. We got adorable little sleepers with the matching hats in here. Onesies, couple little long sleeve ones that he's definitely grown out of. And then this is the 0 to 3 months. These are some sleepers and some Gowns. He does not like gowns. These were a waste. So I don't know. I'm going to be giving away these gowns. He just doesn't like them. They just don't work for us. More onesies for 0 to 3 months. He's like living in all this stuff at the moment. And some really cute ones that I got at Walmart. Look how cute those are. So adorable. Little tank tops. So cute. Do that again. So adorable.
So adorable.
That is adorable right there. And then these are all his 3-month clothing. Simple white onesies. There's a couple long sleeve in here. Lots and lots of onesies. And then these are all his 3-month sleepers. And we got some like pants. I got some like H&M sets before he was born. Like matching sets, solids, which I love. As you can see, I'm more of a solid neutral type of girl. And yeah. These are matching sets that he got like from his baby shower, like cute little sets, little rompers and little shorts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Cute little shorts and some hand-me-downs from my sister-in-law. She has twins, so I really appreciate that. Ooh. Oh, open sesame. Thank you. Extra wipes. Oh, watch out, my love. Some cute tank tops and short sets that I got from Shein when I was ordering the girls' stuff. So cute for later. Hi, brother.
Hey.
Hi, brother bear.
Hey.
Hi, good morning. Preteen, just waking up.
I didn't just wake up.
He's still sleeping, if you can see. Anyways, extra swaddles that are just kind of warm for the weather right now. Extra blankets for the cold weather. Cute little beanies that don't... Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Second to the youngest. We're just missing one. The whole fam bam's here. We're just missing one.
She's watching.
She's probably on her phone somewhere. Beanies that don't fit him yet, but they're so
Adorable.
stinking cute. I can't wait to dress him up. And then some cute little pacifiers that we haven't tried yet. My friend gave them to me, but we will have to try them. See if he likes them. And then this section is going to be for like little teething toys and rattles and things that I don't have much of yet because he doesn't need it. Okay, last drawer. Last drawer before we move on. Extra sheets and changing pad covers and protector for the mattress. And then these are more of these little things that I told you I love. I forget what they're called. A nursing cover. A swaddle for when he gets older. This is a warmer that I haven't used yet for like on the go for bottles and baby's food. Wipes that I wipe the changing table area with every day. Extra Munchkin diaper pail stuff. Extra formula that I'm going to donate because I'm not using it. And we got some milestone things here. They got like Ross and Marshall's. Some cute things. A book that just doesn't fit up there. We're starting to slowly collect books for his collection. I just don't have a place for it yet. I did order a bookshelf, but I'm not going to install it until he is a toddler, until we make his toddler room outside of mom and dad's room. Let me show you the closet. In my closet, I have an area for Tazeo that I have all his extra stuff. So starting down below, we have some little toys right here for when he's a little bit older. And then I have a basket. Then I have a basket with some extra like blankets and swaddles and things for when he's older. And then these are the clothes that he needs to grow into. These are all 3 to 6 months. And then we've got 6 to 9 months and a couple 12 to 18 months. Some that he's gonna grow into. Bins here that I got at Sam's Club, I believe, with extra bath, body wash, bath, shampoo, things like that. Here is extra tools, brushes, nail clippers, things like that, extra bottle cleaners, and a carabiner clip for my stroller. These are all like breastfeeding type stuff. I need to get out of here. His Doppler that I need to give away. But we've got his little shoe collection so far. Super cute. Like, I have to show you. So stinking cute. This is his little shoe collection so far. His little sign, he is here now. I need to change it. Maybe I'll do milestones for pictures here. And then I have baskets. So this is onesies and things that do not need to be hung. So I've got this to switch from the dresser as he gets older, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 12 months, and then 18 months. Okay, out of the closet, we've got my little nursing station here. And then with my pump and pump accessories, it's a little bit of a hot mess right now. Pumping is a hot mess, guys. It's a hot mess. Nipple creams, nipple cracks, saline spray, all that. This is his bassinet. Do you want to show his bassinet? What does he do in his bassinet?
He mostly goes to sleep here.
Yep, he sleeps here.
Sometimes he sleeps on the bed with you.
Sometimes in like the morning, like after 6 a.m., I chill with him on the bed after he slept most of the night in his crib.
And then we turn him into a little burrito. And you just
yeah, I turn him into a burrito. What is that?
It says football. It says my first football, and then this says touchdown.
Who got him that?
I don't know.
Nene and brother, for when he came home from the hospital. And then I got a little footstool for my nursing station that I barely ever use, not a necessity. This is a catch-all cart that I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do with yet. Right now it has extra diapers, onesies, and things that I need to grab in the middle of the night in case he like has a blowout. Bedside table, which always has water on it. I got some like nursing stuff in there. I'll have to do a whole thing on like breastfeeding necessities type of video. But in the bathroom here, I do pump. I don't really breastfeed in the middle of the night, so I do pump. So I have a bottle warmer here, which is amazing. And it's on like a rotation. I will put one in, and when I use it, I'll put another one in. And I clean and wash all of our, look how cute he is, guys. Oh, I can't. Oh, my love. My little lover. I love to wash bottles up here. So I highly suggest if you have a 2-story, wash bottles up here. Make it easy for nighttime. Yeah, so we do that here. And then we got his bath stuff. This is a nursery tour, not a house tour. Let's move on. So I think we are done. This was the nursery tour. This is the full nursery. I never talked about this wall. I never talked about the wall. We created this wall because I wanted a splash of color, because I knew that this nursery was going to be plain.
It feels so
neutral.
soft.
Yes, so this wall is really, really nice. I love it. We created this and it adds like a pop of color. Yeah, so I think we are done. This is Tazeo's nursery tour. We are done.
Yeah.
Yes, anything you want to say?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.